Have you established a need to build maturity or readiness assessments to attract or onboard new consultancy customers? Maybe, you might ask yourself, I can just find an AI tool to create my assessments. Pointerpro's recommendation? Don't sacrifice your own professional expertise for the convenience of generative AI. AI is built on collective knowledge that everyone can access. Your professional reputation hinges on your own personal know-how. Your experience and expertise differentiate you from other service providers. So start there and use AI as leverage. Here's what we recommend to many of our Pointerpro users who are just beginning to build assessments for their consultancy business. Use ChatGPT to research what a typical assessment tends to cover in your domain of expertise. For instance, if your assessment is supposed to evaluate customers' email marketing practices, ChatGPT may suggest analyzing overall strategy, database quality, design and content, and levels of automation. If you know your essential consultancy services reside in one or two of those domains, you should dedicate more questions to them. Now, accordingly, come up with questions and answer options you find important to evaluate each domain. And once you've done so, and only then, ask ChatGPT to consider your list and detect any gaps. Once you've filled any gaps, attribute weights or scores to all the questions and their answer options. Be sure to favor the ones that tie in with your key services. Now, that doesn't sound very objective, I hear you thinking. That's because it isn't, and that's fine. Yes, a maturity assessment is about giving an objective evaluation of your customer, but that objectivity will always be nested in your subjective expert point of view. Attributing more weight to specific questions simply means you're refining your vision as a consultant. Bottom line, use AI to stay in touch with collective knowledge, but double down on your own specialized expertise. That's how you'll stand out.